Today for breakfast, I have a dragon fruit banana pineapple smoothie and scrambled eggs with bananas. This is one of my favorite recipes because I really like when the banana starts to heat up. It just gets really sweet and really mushy, and with the eggs it's super good, has a lot of protein. The eggs and the banana are surprisingly a good combination. A lot of people are like, when they hear about it, but it's actually really good.